Extant earthly microbial mats and microbialites as models for exploration of life in extraterrestrial mat worlds. My name is Higgs and this is my friend Boson. Welcome to the Higgs world.
Thanks for the introduction, Higgs. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. We follow inquiry-based learning model where students take lead in learning.
First, they get a quick review of the research via the videos. Second, they review the paper to learn and understand key concepts. Finally, they can follow up with further research on their own to dig deeper. In the end, students would have learned something new, latest and relevant. Isn't that wonderful, Boson?
Great point, Higgs. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. We want to thank all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share and subscribe.
Today we will talk about extant earthly microbial mats and microbialites as models for exploration of life in extraterrestrial mat worlds. Whenever we look up at the night sky and wonder if there is life out there somewhere, our minds conjure images of water worlds, because life, as we know it, is water-based. Microbial life found in Earth's many extreme habitats are considered useful analogues to life forms we are likely to find in extraterrestrial bodies of water.
That's great, Higgs. Modern-day benthic microbial mats inhabiting the low oxygen, high sulfur, submerged sinkholes of temperate Lake Huron in Michigan, and microbialites inhabiting the shallow, high carbonate waters of subtropical Laguna Bacalar in Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, serve as potential working models for exploration of extraterrestrial life. Isn't that wonderful?
Yes, that is so intriguing, Boson. In Lake Huron, bright field microscopy of microbes in the upper millimeters of a mat from Lake Huron's sinkholes revealed the presence of purple cyanobacteria and filamentous white chemosynthetic bacteria. That is very valuable information.
In Laguna Bacalar, lithification by cyanobacteria forms massive carbonate reef structures along the shoreline. Here, the microbialite structures on the meter scale appear to be minerals, though the unusual roundish pod-like formation suggests a biogenic origin.
On the micrometer scale, closely packed pigmented filamentous cells are readily apparent. Previous microscopic observations, and this research suggests that the subsurface blue, green and purple layers are primarily composed of filamentous cyanobacteria. Wow, that is amazing, Boson.
In summary, this research documents studies of these two distinct earthly microbial mat ecosystems. Researchers examine how similar or modified methods of study would be applicable to prospective mat worlds in other planets and their moons, for example subsurface Mars and under ice oceans of Europa. Model scenarios for robotic exploration of a microbial mat ecosystem are also proposed. Landing and sample collection systems are proposed for expeditions.
Thank you, Boson. Analogues of the simple benthic microbial mats that prevailed in the early biosphere and dominated life for the first few billion years are still found in refugia all around the Earth, and could be potentially inhabiting extraterrestrial hydrospheres. To conclude, further studies of modern-day microbial mat and microbialite ecosystems can add to the knowledge of Earth's biodiversity and guide the search for life in extraterrestrial hydrospheres.